It's early in the morning. Y'all look, it's hard to make pillows too. I'm tired of her already. We gotta hurry up.
Oh, you think?
We board at 11:45, so it's like we gotta go right on the plane.
Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, bitch, we flying Spirit. Hopefully we don't turn into a Spirit. Let me shut the fuck up. Going to Miami.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Here you go.
Thank you. These hoes walking too fast. Y'all walking too fast. Lil, it just got cold as a bitch.
Irritating. I had to hurry up and keep stepping up.
They got them waiting.
I'm trying to hurry up and move.
This shit is scary, y'all. Bitch. Bitch. I'm a little scared. I'm a little... Oh shit. Hand me my bag. Fuck all that. She's getting me a pack of gum. This is my first time. What is you though? I'm talking about some motherfucking turbulence. Bitch, I'm scared about the turbulence, but everything else, I ain't scared. Everything else cool. It's just the turbulence part that's scaring me. But we gonna see what they talking about. We gonna see what that's hitting on when we get there. Cause I don't think it's gonna be any shit for real. As long as we make it through and get to Miami safely. Amen. Yes, Lord. I need to pray. I need to pray. I think I'm finna be up this whole ride.
We do not go on board to the service that they pose if they
This bitch heavy as fuck, mother. I did. Look at me.
Man, this shit taking all day. The bag still ain't come out, and we been standing here for at least a good 10 minutes. Where the fuck is our bags at? 30, 20 fucking minutes later, this shit just not going. Just waiting to see my bag. My Nike duffel bag, bitch. Grab my bag, thank you. I see my bag, let me grab my bag. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm on here?
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all. Y'all haven't seen me in so long. I'm still here, y'all.
Get on the elevator. I don't know where we going.
That only go to 2.
We about to get on this. And my camera about to die. It look nice as hell. Okay. We at Checkers, y'all.
We gotta get us some quick food before we ain't
Head to the
day.
B&B. I know exactly what I'm about to get. The 2 for $5. I'm getting that 2 for $5 with my checker burgers, no pickles, and a spicy chicken sandwich, and a large fry. Bless you.
Making a meal.
Oh, look, they got strawberry cheesecake bite.
That shit nasty.
Well, let me not eat it.
Yeah, I tried it. That strawberry cheesecake bites. That shit sweet as hell. What? I think I want a milkshake though.
Chicken or if I want a little chicken box.
Yeah, a little 20 I mean,
Well, I could have baited him.
See everybody. I'm Kiki right there.
And we're here. This one room. In the kitchen. Living room, cool, bussin'. Kitchen, bussin'. Where the lights at? What lights is this? Yo, they got a coffee maker right here. The wrong motherfucker saying that. Okay. Let's walk around. We got a dining table. That was me. I was trying to see what light that was. We got a big. Oh, this mirror is T. I didn't see this mirror when we walked in. This mirror is T. Yeah.
oh, y'all, look, this foot is him.
Wait, here I come.
This foot is fun. Wow.
Ooh, baddies.
Oh, shit is cold as hell. Oh, got a TV back here.
This sucker cool.
This bed. Whoa. You can smoke in there.
Hell yeah. Oh, it's cute.
I can't smell.
It's real cute. Okay, let's go look at Cam. I'm finna go look at Cam room. I want y'all to see Cam room. I'll be back. Let's go look at Cam room. We're gonna look at the other rooms. We come back here. We have another room. And then we have another room. Cute, cute. These floors are very cute though.
Hey, camera, it's Kamara. It's Kamara. It's Kamara. It's Kamara. It's Leah. It's Leah. It's Leah. Work cake. Work cake. Work cake. Hey, work cake. Hold on, Lana, where you going?
We got some weed. Comes to find out, weed is not legal in Florida like it is in Michigan. And all the dispensaries that's here is only for medical purposes, which is bullshit. But
Do you want one of these?
they don't got the fucking regular woods that we use in Detroit. The setup and what's going on. This is my work, right? That's Lana and Kate work.
It's a button. You clicked it. Come back.
Oh my God, why y'all get sugar free?
That's the only time that come in.
What's that, wild berry?
Yeah, it don't taste like shit though. It do?
What they said?
She could stay there with Dave.
A 3-piece chicken strip. No, chicken. I'm driving. She go DoorDash. You got DoorDash time?
You gotta be older so bad.
This shit is so nasty. You got the same shit as Lana? That's good.
No. I'm taking y'all with me. We leaving, MYRA. Y'all say hey to the vlog. This going on YouTube.
Don't put me on YouTube.
This going on YouTube. Okay, grab my cup. Shit, that's why y'all grab y'all cover.
You don't want no cover? It's on the bed. These covers.
Yeah, the bed got blankets.
Alright, MYRA about to come out.
Look at what club.
But I had a fluke ass wood. You know what I forgot to bring?
When he looked at
That
me, I already
fucking
know.
speaker. I spent $30 on that bitch.
Oh, you have the speakers?
Yes.
It's right there.
Right there.
I don't know if it's
You
broken
can't
though.
turn that shit up all the way down. To the neighbors and shit.
It may be broken.
And they watching
Not
that.
that. Man, fuck that.
Right, you pay money. I be gassing y'all up.
Oh, you got that on video of me saying they act stupid.
I don't know who you talking about.
I'm talking about Leah and Kamar.
I didn't know my shit came with hash browns.
Oh, she had, I didn't even want to.
She got me talking about do I want to have bacon.
Ain't bad. Like, you know, I could have got this at Coney Island.
No, who said?
What kind of food?
Talking about true.
Don't nobody know what I'm talking about.
They got these sausages from Walmart.
Hey y'all, so I got a bowl. I got hash brown, cheese, sausage, bacon, eggs. In the bowl.
I will show
Not
you my
even
food, but it's like, it's not good.
Hella sugar. To eat them.
Diabetes? Who the fuck decided you want to do so?
Who?
She probably don't want to have them, but I
They talking about that bitch finna have heavy traffic. I don't even wanna go.
don't.
They talking about everybody finna go out there and it's finna be heavy traffic. I don't even wanna
Yeah,
go.
pretty right.
I just want to know, like, we think about getting there, but like, ain't nobody think about the real life shit. Like, the rental, the house. I want to party. When it's time to go to sleep, we go sleep.
That's already decent, that shit.
They got rooms down there that you can look at.
At least in the March.
Right. Your baby, bitch.
Oh, this shit feels so good.
Why are you talking so fast?
It's nothing at fucking Walmart, bro. Like, it's
But
Take a shot.
bullshit.
I'm gonna have 1 hour of sleep, literally. 1 hour of fucking sleep.
Look, I know the mom will be in here making her coffee.
No boys. They cheat.
You drink dark coffee?
Whatever. I drink
You
it all.
don't be trying.
But that's just talking about today in the group chat. I said you got.
Good morning. I just woke up not that long ago, like an hour or 2 ago. They have my ATV riding feet on. He told us to just put on my ATV fits. That's exactly what I did, right? I wasn't doing all that. I promise y'all I wasn't. And then I didn't even bring the right shoes, but it's cool because I'm still wearing them hoes. Don't give a fuck. It's just, I'm about to do them again. Yeah, but I still gotta go brush my teeth and wash my face. Somebody in the bathroom. And I don't know where the fuck the other bathroom at. I ain't really that concerned. She wants some Don Julio. Make her dry the boat. Yo, this one is cute. I need to brush my teeth, but they ass out here. I can't find the toothpaste, bitch. Where is the toothpaste? What y'all brush our teeth with?
It's in the bathroom.
It's in the bathroom?
Where?
Go in this room. The room right here with the bathroom in it.
Yeah.
Oh. See, I want to do all that. I ain't going in that room.
I did.
It looks so pretty out here. They playing this shit. Okay. gonna go back in here.
Lamar, my mama dressed?
She's got a shower.
Okay.
This bathroom is cute. It's very cutesy in here. I have to brush my teeth. Okay. Let's travel. Ooh. Hold on. Okay. It's dark as hell. Okay. Now we in the other bedroom. Because the FaceTime. My FaceTime is in here. Every time I wash my face, I wash my fucking FaceTime. Oh, I forgot to get some earrings. Alright. Bottom. Done. Alright. I'll see y'all once my edge is done. Probably once we have bacon baked. I'll see y'all.
So why would you think that I care about a hoe? Boss, I ain't gonna do too much blocking. You know what I'm saying? I go straight to the beat like having that
Miami in November, still in Montana just to call out cause I can't wait for a catch your bitch.
Okay. It looks so pretty out here. Look at this big old tripod. Oh no! There's too much shit going on.
nightclubs, yacht parties.
Right, where they at?
How many people in the booth?
That's right here.
Okay, everybody 21 tonight.
Yeah.
How many not 21?
Damn! This bitch bustin'!
Y'all know what the fuck going on. We out here in the game. See shit, little bit.
Okay, I want to try this almond butter toast without banana. Coffee?
Milk, sugar, or a flavor, or s'mores is good, like a chip.
Okay, let me try the s'mores.
Put like whipped cream on top, it's okay?
Uh-huh.
Ice or hot?
Hot.
The chicken and waffle comes on
I got my strawberry daiquiri.
the patties.
I just got me that almond butter toast.
I said drink.
I don't even know what.
This still gotta be here at like 6:45. How far you got?
And I'm a gobbler. I see you moving your head.
This my food. I ain't fucking with it for real. Can His shit was good. He bust that shit down. She got some steak. Yeah, some nasty ass steak.
It's not even nasty.
Oh, it's not? Well, you want some more? I don't like it. So, yeah, I have egg. I have 2 hash browns. And then the steak, y'all. Look at it. Hold on. I can't even pick this bitch up.
Let me show you guys what I had. I had 2 fries. Fries are good, I guess. I had a flour. The eggs is straight, I guess. And I sent that steak back. That steak had to go back.
And they put parsley on every damn thing. Like, y'all, look. They got parsley everywhere. Kamari liked it, though.
Mom walk with me. She gon' fuck me in time. Pushing the side while her hand up on her spring. You know what you doing, baby?
Come on, baby.
1, 2, and 3.
I started so freaky shit, get drunk at my dick out. Choke out, get been up,
Dick out and I'ma trip out.
We gotta come back. We gotta come back when we're grown. Cause this shit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright.
Wait, we can go in there? The close the store? We can go in there? We can go in there or no?
We walking on the strip. We was finna go to the beach, but we ain't trying to be sandy. I know I'm not. Shit.
Yeah, Mom. We on the phone with my mama, y'all.
Say hi. Fuck.
And we at the strip.
And this sun feel good as fuck.
Come on, come on, y'all.
Oh yeah, come on. That's my shit too.
Wait, we're really illegal.
I think she's still taking pictures.
Leah, hurry up. TikTok.
Wait, I'm trying to look at the fucking pictures.
What's up?
Freak hoe.
Hey, burn that ass, make that.
Freak house. Freak house. Freak house. I don't think I'm on this right. Am I on this right?
Hey, you gotta show them bitches how to real Detroit bitches.
Oh shit, this shit heavy as hell, boy.
They got all them things right there. That's what.
They still ain't fucking with me. I don't give a fuck. I'm still doing this shit. Hold on. I'm strong as fuck, boy. This shit hurt like a bitch. I can't do that.
No, we gotta come back at nighttime when the hoes out, cause the hoes not out. So we on Ocean Drive, and we go ATV riding later. I'm a proud dad.
But you know you finna shake that ass.
It's that shake. It's shake that ass time. Hey LB, look.
We walking in the sand. Baby.
Hey, excuse me. They're calling y'all.
Y'all some fast. I thought we was over there. We coming back. Hold on. We gonna be back. Y'all wanna walk with us? Look at him. He like,
Hot and ready. Hot and
Good.
easy ass Florida nigga.
He over here rejoicing.
We on from Florida, right?
Oh.
Ooh.
Is y'all walking with us or no? Come on.
And vlogging. You on camera?
Let's see.
Wait, the whole crew coming?
That's all right. Yeah.
I don't like this fucking sand.
Detroit?
Yeah.
Man, we should have took our shoes off. But like,
Oh, look.
I'm sinking.
All the way on this bitch.
no, we from Detroit.
Yeah, we get on that.
She taking her shoes off. This that real Florida water.
So what y'all doing? Visiting? Who y'all play for?
Right. This football?
How old is y'all?
I was gonna say y'all could just turn around.
That's what I'm like. We only know.
Yeah.
This
both
bitch.
of our feet white. That's cute. Y'all, me and MYRA matching.
Listen, me and Lana gonna get in this. I don't give a.
This shit so cold.
Wash this shit off my feet.
MYRA, this shit so cold.
Oh, it is. I wrote your name in this end. I'm really chilling. Like, I'm chilling for real. Real shit. Feet is in the sand.
This fucking sand not coming off.
Girl, cause you done already gotten water, putting your feet back in the sand gonna make it stick.
So what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Hey, don't try.
Shaky butt, shaky butt, shaky butt. These some motherfuckers. I'm not a shaky butt.
Where y'all from?
No, we gonna be trying. We just mess with
So I can't get to know you.
They better not be at the same on the same team.
You did say somewhere out here they all scrambled.
All different age groups.
Yeah.
All day with the car.
We waiting for our car. Motherfucker. We here.
That's the camera.
Mm-hmm.
We here, we ready, and I am scared, but
I'm ready.
what's up? It's rocky.
What color would you like?
What color y'all got?
Pink, green, purple,
Blue.
blue.
I want green. We got blue.
I want blue.
There we go. Thank you.
Side the wave.
We're gonna come here. Waiting on Cam to get his
Thank you.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, they look cheap.
Y'all cute.
They give you guys the waivers, okay?
I look like a whole little nigga. I don't care what. Nigga mode activated. I don't have no way to take my camera with me because I gotta be driving. So I'm gonna leave my camera in the car. I don't know how I'm gonna like get little clips, but we gonna see after the fact. But I'll see y'all. Today, we shit. It's Saturday.
Saturday, y'all. We about to go to football game. Then we're going to the beach. Then at nighttime, we're going to another football game. Then we're going to the road to shake that ass.
As y'all see, shake
I
that
know.
ass time. Put my hair in a ponytail because I don't feel like messing with my braids today. Ponytail don't look that bad. And it's sunny as shit outside. Oh my gosh. We're here. Oh, you got
You got your I mean, okay. Two. Come on this side.
just for me only.
Just for you. I paid somebody. She's not going to say anything. So one, so far after those two gentlemen, we'll take our first time. 25. I want to come down there in the summer, but I'm 17. I said, baby,
Stay home.
let's stay home.
I ain't gonna be able to do shit but like little activities.
Yeah.
I think we should get under there.
Why was he leaving?
Oh, we had to walk our way down. We had to get through that way.
I don't think I can.
All the way down.
Oh, I see her walking. I see her man.
You're going to food truck.
Yeah, we hungry, baby. I know I am. So, Hibachi fried rice, and they got wings. Shit. Egg rolls. I ain't got no good egg rolls. What the fuck? Buffalo chicken. That bitch $20. That bitch better be big. What the fuck is the unthinkable? I'm thirsty too. What the fuck is that?
You sure you go wait? Bitch, we starving. I'm not waiting. I'm gonna eat something right now.
It look good. Can I get a
Let me get the chicken hibachi fried rice. What's the banging wings? What type of sauce is that? It's honey hot. Okay, let me get that. And a thinkable drink. That's it. Oh shit.
I said nah, bro. You can take it.
What the fuck? I ain't never seen no shit like this. Huh? It's not doing nothing. I'm about to eat good. Some wings, hibachi, and a drink.
You always go big or go small. It never fails. At least 2 entrees with a dessert on the side.
Yeah, I'm coming back for them fried Oreos too.
To where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I'm about to go give me some.
They said they got the best burger and wings. They voted for the best burgers and wings in Miami, right? And I just ordered me some wings from the other truck. But I'ma still try some. I don't care.
It's gonna be 10 wings, so that's enough. And I'm getting a lot. Potato flavors are good. They sauced up on the pizza.
It don't matter. I just got me some hot honey wings. She said something like that.
Baby, this not Wingstop.
I heard honey and that's all I needed to hear. Got that lemonade. That lemonade was good as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Good as the fuck. It tastes like pina colada, passion fruit type of fucking shit. Wings. Hibachi. I think I'm gonna wait to eat the wings. Let me eat it though. No, I just like rice, so I don't know. It don't really taste like hibachi, but I like it. You want some chicken? It tastes like some white shit.
Yeah, that's good right.
It tastes like rice and seasonings.
Yeah.
That rice is too damn.
Y'all like y'all rice?
It don't taste like. Why y'all like it?
Take it back.
Oh no, I like it.
Myra like her.
I like rice, so I'm gonna eat it regardless. I just want to look at this garlic butter. Hopefully this shit tastes better. From the rice. Now I gotta fall in. Tell them you with me when they ask me where you at.
Who watched the wedding?
Where?
Right there, they get married on the beach.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
You're never getting married again.
I want a nigga propose to me again.
And I'm gonna object at the wedding. So
You gonna object to somebody propose to me?
yes, I'm going to object at the wedding. You're never getting married again.
Why you gonna object?
I'm gonna hold him. Not this 30 though, like you ain't talking.
That's because y'all wanted to shake that ass on South Drive.
Alright, we at a different beach.
Like this little motherfucker.
Come on, like into what?
And take a picture of the shark. I might, I'm gonna poke myself a little bit, put a little blood in the water, make it count.
Should I do it to her?
Yeah. Cause he get it down to 8.
No, cause then y'all go be like, this bitch wild.
I do mine.
And then when they fuck
Right.
Oh, you got competition.
My bitch Myra keep up.
why he irritated?
Let me see him face this way.
Get us know. I'm
done.
Thank you.
Good morning, Grand Rising. Today is Sunday. We packed all our stuff up, put it in the back of the rental. We getting ready to go. We checking out the B&B at 1. We feel real good outside today. Look real nice. It's real nice out here. Now I gotta go back to my cold ass state. Thirsty, I'm hungry, I'm everything of the above, bitch.
Go back home. Put my foot right here, my foot.
Lana might. Oh, let me call Lana.
Somebody,